Repulsor winding machine has overcome the challenge of winding 0.01 mm enameled wire and revolutionized the process of manufacturing coils for ultra-micro medical sensors. The miniature coil, based on an iron-nickel alloy framework, can achieve precise detection of vascular pressure through magnetic-electric coupling, and is applied to high-end medical devices, such as FFR sensors. This technology faces multiple difficulties, such as the contradiction between the strength and tension of the wire and stress release. Only a few enterprises globally, such as T-Connectivity and Philips Image-Guided Therapy, have mastered mass production, and the cost is extremely high. After years of research, Repulsor has launched an automatic winding system, creating the autonomic nerve for medical devices with a wire that is 1/10 the thickness of a human hair. In the future, it will also integrate the function of online defect detection. Repulsor will work together with you to achieve common benefits.